It's no secret, having a fireplace in the home has often felt out of reach. But with 7 out of 10 homebuyers wanting a fireplace in their home, Hearth & Home has answered the call. Introducing 2 affordable electric fireplace options with the most realistic flames and modern technology on the market. Meet the Allusion Slim, an ultra-thin fireplace, only 4 inches deep, designed to fit into a standard 2x4 wall. With 4 sizes available, you can choose the perfect fit for your space. With 9 flame colors, 13 ember bed colors, and 5 brightness settings, you can customize the perfect ambiance for any moment. Installation? Totally flexible. Choose from a flush in-wall install or a no construction option using the Crestline build-out kit. Looking to upgrade your space even more? The Allusion Platinum electric fireplace takes it to the next level with some of the most realistic flames available, perfect for elevating any room. This model lets you change flame colors and even swap out the interior media for a custom look. It can be flush mounted for a seamless built-in feel or recessed using the Boyd build-out kit, offering a no construction solution that installs without cutting into the drywall. The Boyd kit is available in 2 beautiful finishes, farmhouse shiplap or a flat finish to match your unique style. Ready to see these electric fireplaces in person? Contact Parrish & Company today to schedule your appointment.